मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा फोटो देखा. I saw a nice photograph of the Indigo CEO. Mr. Ibers doing namaskar to you. Was he seeking your apology कि हमें क्षमा कर दीजिए, माफ कर दीजिए, या कि ये केवल ऑप्टिक्स था, आपको न्यूज़पेपर की हेडलाइन चाहिए थी, मिनिस्टर सीक्स अपॉलॉजी फ्रॉम इंडिगो सीईओ? ये फोटो के पीछे असलियत क्या है? व्हाट इज द ट्रूथ बिहाइंड द फोटो ऑफ द सीईओ वर्चुअली apologizing to you? Did he apologize?
Rajdeep ji, I'm glad that you have asked about this thing. He was folding his hands. He was seeking an apology, but not to me, but to the people of this country, which is duly deserved also. He has to apologize to the people of this country. I'm just a public servant. It is not me he is apologizing to. He was apologizing to the people of this country, which was duly necessary.
You see, because I also, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, एक statement आई है that you have said that you will sack the Indigo CEO. And I'm not able to understand. Can government of India sack a private company CEO? That is for the board of Indigo to do. Is it, ये भी क्या public को खुश करने के लिए minister is saying, don't worry, I will sack the CEO, when actually you have no powers to sack the CEO of Indigo?
Rajdeep ji, again here, there has been no precedent in these kind of incidents. And definitely there is a rule of law through which we can act. But here we have to consider the kind of disruptions that have happened and the distress that the people have gone through. And if I've said, you have to reconsider my statement here, I have said that if it comes to the point where there is found that due to the negligence or due to the inability of people in the senior management, or let it be a certain position, if it was their inability to act upon this or their mismanagement of this, then definitely we will take up action of that regard in the interest of the people. We will not hesitate. That is exactly what I said.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको लगे कि इंडिगो ने ये डिलिबरेटली किया या उनकी नेग्लिजेंसी थी, लापरवाही थी, तो आप इंडिगो को कहेंगे प्लीज सैक योर सीईओ, सही?
Yes, definitely. In the interest of the public, we will talk to the airlines regarding it. Let the inquiry report come out. Let it tell us where exactly the problem lies. Why have Indigo, who have been running excellent operations for the last 20 years, this is not a new airline that has come into the block. They have been running optimal, best OTP operations for the last 10 years. Suddenly you are seeing that one single day, everything is falling down. Then who is responsible for this within Indigo itself? Let us look into it. Let us study that.